Nandito na tayo mga kakain muna kami mga unsa kaya kay kaalo ang among biyahe. So, dili sa pagkaon ni dili karon dili lalim magbiyahe na ay baby pero kaya nasa sige. Ilahan na sa isa ko.
Nakita na ko may bakante ba account. Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do have your attention please. To go further prepare, passengers to preserve for and responsible is experiencing an expensive weather stress at this flight. If your travel plans are flexible today, and you are willing to leave your place for other guests, please check out any other ground for in exchange for your food.
We are here naanami karon diri sa among gate number 3. Going to Cebu muna tayo ngayon. And then bukas biyahe tayo ulit din. So i-off na.
Now, yeah. Are you sleeping now? Huh? Go on. Are you?
Na. So pasok na tayo sa airplane mga be. So magbisaya na lang tanong, magsulod na tarong sa airplane. And then akong anak na dira si Asher, si Asher. Musulod na ta sa airplane. Naguna among airplane karon wala na late, maayo. Naguna jud siya advance.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is your flight deck speaking. Together with Captain Melanie. We're cabins are headed by Kathy, Clint, Colleen, and Eric. Welcome on board flight 5J604 Airbus A320 CEO, just service to Mactan, Cebu.
Lakilak na mong mga bata dahil nag-wild na. Asher, stop Asher na. Oh, look your face, oh. Oh, tanawa. Tanawa. Na. Wala, nagilak na dahil. Nagilak na.